So in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to install WAMP, which is a local web server. I previously went over how to install XAMPP, but some people may prefer WAMP instead of XAMPP. So this tutorial will show you how to install WAMP. So what a local web server is, it allows you to use MySQL, which connects to a database and allows you to do database things with PHP. And you wouldn't be able to do that normally without a web server. So we download this to use those functionalities. So to get started, we're going to go to the WAMP website. I'll leave the link in the description. And we're going to start the download. You should scroll down. You should see a download section on their site. And it'll give you two options, a 64-bit version or a 32-bit version. If you do not know what operating system bit-wise you're using, you can always go to your control panel, open up System and Security, open up System, and under System there should be a section called System Type, and it'll tell you whether or not you're running a 64 or 32-bit operating system. For me, it's a 64-bit, and they'll dictate what download I'll choose. If you can't find it for some reason, you can always default to 32 bits. So I'm going to click the 32-bit. Ignore this warning message. It's kind of scary, but you just ignore it. And go to this link it's titled Download It Directly. Click that one. And it should begin your download. Okay, my download is complete, and I just moved the installation program onto my desktop so it makes it easier for this tutorial. But for you, just go where you downloaded it and open the application, or the installer in this case. Click yes for running as administrator, and click change your language if you have a different language. I accept the agreement as always. All this stuff, we click next. You could change your installation location. I keep it as default. You could change it though if you want. Again, just keep pressing next and install. So when you're almost done installing, it'll ask you what browser you want to use. I personally use Chrome, so I want to change that into Chrome. We'll just use this as default. I do use a different text editor, but it's kind of hard to find it. So next I'm going to show you how to use the basic function, like basically put your project into a directory so that you can use your project in your local web browser. So you should notice at the bottom right of your screen there should be a little WAMP logo. That if it's green, it means it's running well, it's ready to use. If it's yellow or red, there's an issue and you may have to find a fix for that. But as of now it's green, so let's move on how to start a project. So you can left click that button and go to PHPMyAdmin. I'll start off with this actually. It'll take you to this control panel, and this is where you do all your database things, your SQL as well. So if you had a fresh install and you have not changed any of the settings, the default username is simply root, and the password is an empty text field, so you can leave that blank. And it should take you to this, and this is where you do all your database stuff. You could implement new databases, input items or data into your databases, and create new tables and so forth. Now for a project, we simply go to your download of WAMP. Mine's in my hard drive. So here we go. We go to www. And then here is where you start your projects. For example, you create a new folder. I'm going to call this project 1. and that'll be your first website in development. And within this folder, you put all your files for your website in here. So you put your HTML, your CSS, your web pages, your JavaScript, your jQuery, your PHP, whatever. You put it all in here, and it'll run this locally. So now I'm gonna make sure it works with the web browser. So you type in localhost / the name of the folder or project that you just created. So I just created a folder called Project 1, and we press enter. As you can see, it's running well. It's running WAMP with PHP, or it's running Apache actually. The local web server is running well. There's nothing in the folder, so it just shows this directory empty, and it's ready to start to be built upon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it helped you guys out. If you like this video, please like it down below. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.